Mosquitoes have been around for more than 200 million years. This is the Aedes aegypti mosquito. After biting a Zika-infected person or animal, it can become a primary carrier of the Zika virus. This tiny insect is capable of infecting hundreds of thousands of people, creating panic within countries, costing billions of dollars to exterminate, millions of tourism dollars lost, birth defects in children, and the abrupt interruption of normal life. The Aedes aegypti mosquito is found in the Americas, Africa, the Caribbean, Asia, and the Pacific. Because of their climates, Florida and Puerto Rico are especially vulnerable to a widespread outbreak of Zika. Initial Zika symptoms are not easy to diagnose, many times requiring a blood test for confirmation. A pregnant woman infected with the Zika virus may give birth to a child with microcephaly, a condition causing an undersized brain, which requires lifelong intensive care. Zika has also been linked to Guillain-Barré syndrome, a form of temporary paralysis that in its worst form can last for years or even lead to death. HSRX scientists began experimenting with a compound they discovered in a commonly consumed food that demonstrated significantly more broad-spectrum antiviral activity than currently used antiviral drugs. The scientists found that this compound from a common berry effectively dealt with enveloped viruses, a collection of viruses that includes the Zika virus. The HSRX discovered compound works by preventing viral reproduction. It works like this. The Zika virus is injected into the human bloodstream when the infected Aedes aegypti mosquito bites you. Once in the blood, it attaches to sugar molecules on cells and then drills into the cell where it multiplies and attacks more cells, creating an infection cascade that quickly spreads the virus throughout the body. HSRX 431, a clone of a compound discovered in elderberries, is taken orally. It attaches to the Zika virus, preventing it from drilling into the cell, resulting in the abrupt halt of virus reproduction. Independent screening studies have confirmed the great promise of HSRX 431 against the Zika virus. HSRX is currently developing protocols for Zika human trials and will seek accelerated drug approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. HSRX Biopharmaceutical, changing the game for infectious and age-related chronic disease conditions.